Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our channel. Good morning, family. Happy hump day. Hump back. Happy hump day, guys. Thanks for tuning in to me so early in the morning, guys. I am up taking my son to work this morning. He had to be at work at 6. I am exhausted. I literally just got up and I had to take him to work, and I was actually up late last night. So I'm a little exhausted, guys, but thanks for joining in and tuning into my channel, guys, in this early morning vlog, car talk. Just a quick little vlog just to say, like I said, good morning to you guys and wish you an amazing, absolutely fabulous hump day Wednesday, guys, and wish you an amazing day today. And just let you know to go today with an amazing heart, compassionate heart. Lift your head up, walk high, walk with your head high. Excuse me, I said lift your head up, walk high. Lift your head up, walk with your head high, guys, and always know that no matter what nobody says or do, you won't let anybody break your stride. You will keep pushing. You will not let anybody break the stride or the push and the drive that you got, guys. You keep pushing and you keep working hard. You can achieve whatever it is you want. I am so blessed. I am so thankful. I did a vlog the other day, and I had told you guys that I was going to be doing, a couple of other business ventures. Well, guys, go check out my community page. I actually posted a community page on my community page. I actually start back my freelance cleaning business on Monday, guys, and I'm going to be working about 20 minutes from my home. I haven't been to the lady's house yet, but I go Monday. And I will be working and getting paid right then and there. I will also be looking for more contracts. I actually got put in for several. Because I'm looking, honey. I'm looking. Feel me? So I got Successful Wear LLC, my e-commerce online business, and then I got AB Cleaning, which is my my freelance cleaning business, guys, where I do all the cleaning, or I do all the cleaning, getting all the contracts, getting all the customers on my own, and make the money, guys. So thank you, Jesus, first and foremost, and thank you, Jesus, for waking me up this morning. Can't forget that. Praise the Holy Spirit. I am blessed. I feel good. I feel thankful, and I feel blessed to be able to get ready to get it popping in 2023. Like I said, guys, stay tuned for more as well for my Successful Wear LLC website, because I'm about to load that girl up. I'm about to feed my baby real big till she get nice and big and let her grow, guys. So if you're not subscribed to that YouTube channel, Successful Wear LLC on YouTube, guys, get subscribed, or go check out my website, www.successfulwearclothingllc.com. Market always my business. I do it all the time. It's what I do. I don't do a video without showing love to the fan, whether it's in a t-shirt that I wear because I made this. Feel me? It's a Celtics t-shirt that I made. Or I shot up my business verbally. However I do my little marketing. That being said, yep, it's amazing. Actually, Wednesday morning. It's pretty warm out today, actually, guys, because it's the calm before the storm. Boop. So we're looking in at like an easy, like damn near 50 degrees right now at like 6:15 in the morning. I'm about to go back in the house, get my 2 high schoolers up, because they got to get up, eat breakfast, and get ready for school. They They take their showers at night. My other daughter, actually, she didn't take her shower. So she get ready to take a shower, and then they wash up in the morning, brush their teeth. But my other daughter got to take her shower because she didn't take her shower last night. So I got to get her up so she can get in the shower and get ready for her day. I have arrived back at the spot. Thanks, like I said, guys, for tuning in and kicking it with me for a few minutes. Just wanted to say hello, mwah, 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 and let you guys know I love you guys very, very, very much. We love you guys very, very much. And if you have been holding us down from day one when we had our other channel, Carston Family Funhouse, on YouTube, guys, thank you again for the love. Thank you for the support. And thank you for constantly holding us down, guys. This time around, we are doing amazing, guys. Our channel is actually doing outstanding. We literally are averaging about 40,000 views every month. We started this channel a day before our other channel got taken down. I don't know, we just felt the vibe. You know, people on this app be hating on you, honey. So I felt the vibe, and I said, you know what? They had striked us like twice. And the thing about it, guys, I'm gonna say that because we got striked, guys, and let me just let you know, we weren't striked for being disrespectful. We weren't striked for like nothing like that you would think that people should get striked for. We were striked because we had burps and like farts in our videos, period. And we were doing so many, like, we were making so many views and had so many subscribers. When we got our channel, the last strike that we got, and like I said, I started this channel August 23rd because August 22nd we had 2 strikes, and I told my family, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be ready for these folks because they're gonna try to take our channel down. And just a message to you guys out there, there's a lot of haters on this app. People out here hate on you when they see you getting views or they see you getting more love shown to you. I don't care what your channel's about, what your niche, whatever they want to call it, is. People hate on you. They see you doing good. They see you making a couple of dollars. We had almost 3,900 subscribers, and that was 5 months ago. If we would have still been on, we would have been at least up to 10K more plus subscribers. But that's okay. Now we got to start all over. You know what? It's cool though. I don't worry, because this time around, before on my other channel, we was clocking in at about 20K views every month. This channel is double. We're clocking in at 40 plus views views a month. So I'll take that. Again, thanks for the small pequito blessings. In my world, it's a big blessing because the channel being taken down, the only downside of that is that we're not monetized right now. Because I got to be honest with you, no offense, I'm not monetized right now, so that's the downside of this situation. Let me lock my my daughter's car. But yep, guys, we got taken down because there was a lot of hateration on this app, and we were doing so good. So, and the reason why I'm telling you guys that is because it's just a little FYI to you guys to just, watch yourselves and be mindful of your YouTube family surroundings, because these people out here, they sit on their apps and they don't really develop content. They don't really have, they might see somebody else doing so good or getting so many views or clocking so many content, getting so many views, or people watching their videos and they're like, oh, I'm gonna hate on that person. So yeah, to make a long story short, I started this channel 5 months ago, and in 5 months, February will be 6 months. We have managed to get almost 200K views to our channel, and like I said, yeah, almost 200K views, and also we are averaging 40K views a month. So thank you guys. Like I said, for the small blessings, no worries, no harm done. Only thing is that we're not monetized yet, but we're on the road to monetize because of you guys. We love you. Thank you guys for the support, and for the people that have been there with us, holding us down. And for the people that thought we were new on this platform, no, we're not new. We're just back on the block because somebody took us off. Hi, have a nice Wednesday. Love you guys.